Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mwaka about Sandy Home Recipe. Sende di kan a share video. Remember subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me notification bell no. Say the video bia beto a sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. The mission say be milk ice cream. Me yes ice cream na me tasty and it tastes really nice. Intenu na ye be ye. What the 1 cup powder milk ebegu ubo mu. What the 2 tablespoons condensed milk aka ho. What the one swear the aka ho. Now one mixing it together. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. What the vanilla kakra de aka ho, no akoso de amexe. And akogu ice cream mold mu and a disposable cup mu. And a pesa wo chichira betime de achichire. The ice cream stick ashishe ebie mu na da kwose freezer for 4 hours. After 4 hours no ansa na waji na wa serve. Yep, but just need kan a wo hwe video a remember subscribe na wa share na wa like it. No me notification bell no say the video bia beto a sabeka. Me yes ice cream na me tasty and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this our creamy milk ice cream. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.